Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cardhop app, a smart contact management tool available on iOS and macOS. Cardhop focuses on making it easier to organize, search, and interact with your contacts using natural language input and a clean interface. It's designed to streamline how users handle contact details, making it a useful productivity app for both personal and business use. Cardhop allows you to add, update, and search for contacts by simply typing commands like email Sarah or call John Mobile. It integrates with the native Contacts app and supports syncing across devices. The interface is intuitive and includes features like contact grouping, custom labels, and birthday reminders. Users can also initiate communication directly from within the app through calls, texts, emails, or FaceTime. Pros include the time-saving natural language input, deep integration with Apple system apps, and excellent design. It also supports business card scanning and contact notes. For those in Apple's ecosystem, the continuity between iPhone, iPad, and Mac versions makes it seamless to manage contacts on the go or at a desk. Cons include the fact that it's only available on Apple devices, which limits accessibility for Android or Windows users. Some features, like the ability to use business card scanning, are only in the premium version. The pricing could be seen as steep if you're not using all of its features regularly. Overall, Cardhop is a well-polished contact manager that offers a significant upgrade over the default Contacts app for Apple users. If efficient communication and detailed contact tracking matter to you, it might be worth the investment. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you don't understand something or have questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description.